Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance with your legs. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Begin by standing with your feet about shoulder-width apart, maintaining a slightly bent knee position. This athletic stance is crucial for all your leg movements. Keep your core muscles engaged throughout your practice. This provides essential stability and helps you execute quick, dynamic transitions. A solid base is key to mastering any footwork. Now, let's dive into the fundamental 6-step. Start by placing one hand on the floor, shifting your weight to that side. Then, use your legs to step around your body in a circular pattern. There are 6 distinct movements that flow together. Focus on making each step smooth and connected, almost like a continuous dance. Consistent practice of this foundational move will build your coordination and rhythm for more advanced footwork. Next, we'll explore the 2-step and 3-step variations. The 2-step involves a quick crossing of one leg over the other, often moving in a small circle. The 3-step builds on this by adding a third leg movement, perhaps a sweep or a small kick, to create more dynamic flow. Focus on developing both speed and precision in these steps. Maintaining control is vital, even as you increase your pace and complexity. Finally, let's talk about adding your personal flair and consistent practice. Integrate freezes and drops to create exciting transitions between your footwork sequences. To truly master these moves, dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to practice. This builds essential muscle memory. Also, listen to a wide variety of music. This will help you develop your unique rhythm and personal style, making your breakdancing truly your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.